Welcome back. You got the Mustang here. We've got the homies over, and I'll park there. And we're kind of getting some progress on the car, doing a damage evaluation. And we cut out all the airbags, took out the headliner. And then we're going ahead and we're going to take off the front fender, bumper, all this stuff up here, and see what all is damaged behind the body panels. So we're gonna go ahead and get some of this off. We wanted to tear apart the Mustang enough to get a damage evaluation today, and we've been tearing it apart for quite some time now. So as you guys can see, we've been getting down into it. Been looking at this front end, looking at the suspension parts. Then we also took apart some of this rear quarter and just, you know, evaluated the damage back here. So Sam, discuss your plan of attack here.
Pretty much what we're gonna do, we're gonna park the car here perpendicularly in front of the Evo like this, right here. We're gonna use this John, good old second gen. And we're pretty much gonna use a ratchet strap, hook her up to some points here, hammer out.
All right, let's see how it goes.
Up on the top.
Nuts.
Yeah.
We're gonna do this one too.
You know. Yeah. Should we go for that circle down lower?
Keep going on that one. Alright, then just hold the pressure right there. Woo!
That's gonna.
We should get a bigger ratchet.
Woo!
Yeah. Like a.
Good job on the dub today.
About good as new.
Oh yeah.
Good as new. We got this pulled out a little bit. It's already looking better. Just tugged it out with the rat strap, as you guys saw, and then beat in some areas and pulled in other areas, and it's pulling it out enough to hopefully save me a couple $100 if I go to take this quarter to get replaced elsewhere. So what do you guys think?
It's about ready to go on the track.
About ready to go on the track. That's what everybody's saying. Everybody's saying just take it out on the track. We got some progress on the Mustang. This is all the parts we removed. We got the front and rear bumper, some miscellaneous parts here. And then obviously we got our baggies full of parts. So I think my key is to stay organized during this whole thing. So we're gonna see how that does. But they got a lot of the parts removed, as you guys can see. This is the car as it sits now, and day one is done. So we are at a pretty good stage. I'm happy with the car. I'm really happy with the car right now, and I think 2 and 3, and there's gonna be, every time I work on this car, it's gonna be an episode. But for episode 1, I want to kind of do a teardown evaluation of where it's at and what needs to be fixed. So obviously this is the main dressing right here. It's caved in a little further than I initially thought, but it's not too bad. We're gonna go ahead and give it to a shop, I think, to take care of this whole ordeal. I really don't want to mess with cutting this out right here at home, so I'm gonna try to attempt everything but that. And I need to do control arms and all that fun stuff in the rear, as well as the front. This also needs a strut up front, and then hood, bumper, and all the miscellaneous stuff in between. So a lot of the interior removed. I'm gonna need to replace all these airbags. I think I'm just gonna go with aftermarket seats. But yeah, got the headliner out. We tried to get them out of the way, and so we just kind of cut. This side's kind of done. Oh well, but so we got a lot of the airbags out, just cut, and then obviously all this stuff is dangling and stuff. So it's gonna kind of be in a rough stage for a little bit, but I'm excited. That is day one. Disassembly is getting there. All the other stuff that needs to be disassembled. I mean, we're not unveiling any new damage at this point. That's what I wanted to do today. I wanted to see the extent of the damage, what couldn't be fixed, what could be fixed, and I am happy to say that I think it is going to be all fixed. There's some that I'm not sure I'm able to fix as I initially thought. However, everything is going to be fixed. So I'm very excited. Like I said, next week I'm going to try to order all the suspension parts for the front and rear, and just get it drivable. You know, it's kind of hard to drive it when that's that wheel and that's that wheel. So along with the rear, you guys can see it's absolutely cambered in and towed in and all types of fun stuff. So we're going to go ahead and get all of that suspension stuff replaced here shortly, because being able to move and drive the car is a very important ordeal. The blue Mustang is freaking fantastic. I just took it out for a little rip with Sam. He's actually visiting from out of town this weekend, hasn't seen this car yet, so he enjoyed it, I enjoyed it, and this car will always be the #1 car on the channel. I love this car so much, and I'm very, very happy and blessed to own it. So I hope you guys enjoyed episode 1 of Tearing Down the Mustang. I hope you guys are enjoying the series. Maybe it's something that I could look forward to and, you know, develop in the future. But for now, this is an exciting car, an exciting project I'm ready to take on. And in between, I'll be doing some cool stuff with the 5.0. So I hope you guys liked. If you did, please make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, see more content, help out a small local YouTuber trying to grow. And I'll see you guys next video. Peace.
But now you're out of time.